today's video, we are going to see how to do eggshell art. The materials needed are eggshells, scale, A4 sheet, scissor, a brush, black paint, pencil, red sketch and black sketch, hard glue gun. First, you have to prepare your eggs and put 2 holes in both the end and blow the content out so that it will be clear inside, and wash it and dry it. Now we are going to put a line for 4 centimeters. Now fold the paper you have cut like this and cut the extra. Now draw a line like this in this paper. Now do it with your black marker. Now I am going to use hard glue gun to glue it together. You have to glue it like this. You have to glue it like this. After sticking the paper to the egg, you have to keep the egg on the paper and trace the U shape of the V shape like this. Now cut it. Now draw lines like this with black marker. Now stick this paper to the egg like this. Our eggshell is ready with this 2 paper in this. Now we are going to draw the face with the black sketch. The face is ready. You have to take another eggshell and paint it in black. Stick the black shell to the face. I have shown you how to do Bharadiyar. In the similar way, you could also do MGR. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.